Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nura Ayuhanani binti Hilkihan Nisham, and I will explain about the Maximin rules. So, what is Maximin rule? Okay, the Maximin rule is a decision-making principle that prioritizes minimizing the potential harm or loss associated with different options. When there is a lot of risk or uncertainty situation, the Maximin rule can help you make a choice. Maximin states that when you have a variety of choices that can lead to different outcomes, you should identify the worst possible outcome for each choice or select the option for which the worst outcome is least unfavorable. Next is characteristic. The first characteristic is worst possible outcome. The Maximin rule suggests evaluating each option based on the worst possible outcome associated with choosing the option. Essentially, it focuses on minimizing the impact of adverse scenarios. The second one is risk-averse standards. Maximin is a standard of choice for people who are very afraid of taking risks. It tries to avoid bad results as much as possible, even if that means give up possible gains. The third one is minimal protection. Some conceptions they might choose fail to ensure the protection of their basic interests. In other words, certain options fall below the minimal level required for well-being. Next is example of respective area. The example is choosing a career path. Suppose you are a student about to graduate from UiTM in business courses, and you have two potential career paths to consider. For path A, riskier option. Pursue a career in entrepreneurship. There is a chance of building a successful startup and achieving substantial financial gains. However, there is also a risk of failure which could lead to financial losses and setbacks. For path B, safer option. Accept a stable job offer at a well-established company. The salary is moderate, but the job provides security, benefits, and a predictable income. If apply the Maximin rule, there is a worst possible outcome. For path A, the worst outcome could be a failed startup causing big financial loss, debt, and emotional stress. For path B, the worst outcome might be job dissatisfaction or limited career growth, but it ensures a stable income. So, the Maximin decision, given the risk-averse nature of the Maximin rule, you would likely choose path B. Even though it offers a moderate salary, it minimizes the risk of something bad happening. For conclusion, the Maximin rule encourages us to consider worst-case scenarios and option for options that safeguard against significant harm, even if it means foregoing potential higher gains. It's a risk-averse approach that prioritizes protection over maximizing rewards. So that's all from me. Thank you.